Hello everyone. First is I introduce myself. My name is Anika Datuan from BSBA 2C. So, my report is all about the good governance. The first question is, what are the three branches of governance? Number one is legislative. Legislative demands is responsible for making laws. This branch typically includes the Parliament or Congress. Number two, executive branch. Executive branch demand is responsible for enforcing laws. This branch includes the President, Prime Minister, and the cabinets. Number three naman, a judicial branch. Judicial branch naman is responsible for interpreter laws. This branch includes the courts and judge. Next naman is, what is the purpose of good governance? For me, the purpose of good governance is to create a system where public institutions function in a way that is effective, equitable, transparent, equitable, or responsive to the needs of society. What are the 8 elements of good governance? Number 1 is participation. Number 2 is rule of law. Number 3 is transparency. Number 4, responsiveness. Number 5, consensus-oriented. Number 6, equity and inclusiveness. Number 7, effectiveness and efficiency. Number 8 is accountability. So, explain it. Number 1 is participation. Participation requires the involvement of all members of society and decision-making processes. This includes ensuring that everyone, especially marginalized and minority groups, has the opportunity to participate, either directly or through legitimate representatives. Number 2, rule of law. The rule of law ensuring that individuals and institutions, including the government itself, are accountable under the law. Number 3, transparency. Transparency helps to build the trust between the government and the public. Number 4, responsiveness. Responsiveness naman is involved to addressing the needs and concern of the public efficiently and effectively. Number 5, consensus-oriented. It requires that the governance process listen to horizontal the various viewpoints and interests of stakeholders. Achieving consensus helps is creating a shared vision for the future development of the community or nation. Number 7 naman is equity and exclusiveness. Involve taking into account and interests of vulnerable and disadvantaged groups and ensuring that they have access to basic necessities and opportunities. Number 7 naman is effectiveness and efficiency. Ensure the procedure and institution produce results that meet the needs of society while making the best use of resources. Last one is accountability. Accountability in the governance means that a decision makers in government, the private sector, and civil society organization are answerable for their action. Accountability naman means ensure that the power is exercised that transparently and that there are checks and balances to provide the measure of the power. Last one is As a student, how can you contribute in upholding a good governance in our country? For me, participation is expressing their political voices and active the involvement in community services and volunteering contribution to breaking down of patron-client relations and active engagement in the student and parliament are all essential prerequisites to help in the building of good governance. Thank you.